So here's a nifty vending machine from the turn of the century that served a very practical purpose because, and this was manufactured again right at the turn of the century, early teens, say 1905 up till 1910 and into the teens, when collar buttons were required for shirts. So instead of having buttons sewn onto the shirt, you would have these metal, particularly for your collar, you would have a metal collar button that would insert into the back of the shirt and then pop through. And occasionally, of course, you could lose them or one could break. And so this vending machine provided a brilliant solution for that, in being able to offer you, for just the price of a dime, an extra or a replacement collar button. What's cool about this one is the aesthetic of it, where you've got the glass sides. It's 4 sides of glass, so it shows the internal mechanism and workings completely. It has a cast iron base, and it has a fabulous top sign that is original, and which poses, again, the very interesting and important question of what would you do if you lost or broke the collar buttons you're wearing now. So very practical marketing, very great aesthetic, and as far as the machine specimen itself, this is a great example with the original nickel plating in very nice condition. The front of this is stamped Zeno Button Company, Indianapolis, and it has patents, the first one in 1907 and the second dated 1908, stamped right into the top of the machine. So just a fabulous example. And what you see is that the collar buttons are lined up here. It actually has 6 slots. I've got the center 4 slots loaded with different collar buttons. And using it is as simple as taking your dime and dropping it into the slot of the collar button that you'd want to order or purchase. And when you push the dime in, the dime gets taken and it releases the collar button and it dispenses it. And that is it. The early 1900s Zeno Collar Button vending machine.